If you're cooking with water, you're dealing with scale. Water filling your steam generator includes contaminants, even if you're using scale filters. These contaminants cause scale buildup if not effectively removed. This scale buildup clogs your steam generator, significantly reducing its efficiency and lifetime. Now, Vulcan integrates ultrasonic SonicSafe scale-fighting technology inside its electric generator-based steamers to continuously manage and eliminate scale buildup. SonicSafe ultrasonic technology starts automatically when the generator fills, using sound waves to create a continuous stream of microscopic bubbles. This is called cavitation. These bubbles implode millions of times per second, generating tremendous heat and pressure. This heat and pressure breaks up the contaminants and prevents them from adhering to generator surfaces and causing steamer failure. With SonicSafe technology, contaminants are flushed out of the generator and down the drain when the steamer is turned off. SonicSafe technology reduces other routine maintenance requirements and prolongs the life of your equipment. Vulcan SonicSafe ultrasonic scale prevention is designed to last the life of your steamer. It doesn't wear out like replaceable scale filters. And it's now available on all Vulcan electric floor and countertop steamers.